Hi, this is the Mad Scientist on January 21st, 2012 at 1 o'clock p.m. And right now we are going to conduct control trial test 4.
And as you can see here, we already measured the mass of the egg, which is 55.3 grams before the crash. And now we're going to place the egg in the car and place the force sensor over it. And as I get ready with the car, my partner is going to get ready with the calculator, which is connected to this force sensor.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. So as you can see over here, the force that was interpreted by the calculator was negative 9.539 newtons. This is the graph that was shown. And the shock was very much, and the elapsed time was 0.58 seconds for this crash. And now we're going to be observing the egg.
Okay, and as I take off the force sensor, my partner is going to tell you about the acceleration and velocity.
Okay, so as my partner gets ready with showing us the qualitative observations, I will explain to you the velocity and acceleration of this crash. The velocity is equal to the displacement over the elapsed time, which is equal to 18 centimeters, which is from this white line to the wall, and that's the displacement. And then the displacement over the elapsed time, which was 0.58 seconds, is equal to 120 centimeters per second, and that's the velocity of control trial test 4. Now on to the acceleration. The acceleration is equal to 120 centimeters per second, or the velocity over 0.58 seconds, which was the elapsed time, or the time of acceleration. And that divided by that is equal to 206.8 centimeters per second. And now we will be examining the egg. So, as you can see, in this egg, there was a large crack towards the front of the egg.
And we can see this because it was a very sudden shock added. When the calculator interpreted the information, the graph showed that there was a sudden shock, so we can see that it could get a large impact. And the cracks spread from the top of the egg, starting from here, and it is leaking all the way to the side of the egg to about here.
So as you can see, when there's no added feature to the front exterior of the car, as for the control trial, the impact on the driver or damage to the driver can be great in certain areas. And now we're going to be measuring the mass for part of our data, and this is going to be the mass after the crash.
Okay, now as you can see, the mass of the egg decreased by 1 milligram, and now the mass of the egg is 55.2 grams. And we can see this because the egg started leaking, so
the mass was reduced because stuff came out of the egg, or the egg white, or the egg yolk. So that concludes control trial test 4. This is the Mad Scientist. Thank you very much.